Hola amigos, I am Araceli Vargas, a certificate real estate advisor with Banque Riveras. I'm very happy to welcome you to Casa Vela Vista. Let's take a tour. Casa Vela Vista consists of living and dining areas, kitchen, one large bedroom with his and her closets, one bathroom and patio. The upstairs terrace is a great place for barbecues. The guest casita has one bedroom, TV room, and balcony, a great place to relax. This property also has ample storage, laundry, a car garage, garden, and a stone wall blend sweetly on this Mexican-style house. You too can be living joyfully in the heart of Los Barriles. This house has an ocean view from the terrace, a walking distance to the beach, making it an excellent location. I'm sure you fell in love with this property. Again, my name is Araceli Vargas. If you would like to take a tour or more information, contact me now.